Welcome, in this video I am with the VIVO Y22S and I'm gonna show you the best camera features. Okay, so at the first we are going to start from the standard photo mode, and right here we can find a couple of the features. The first one, you can use the volume buttons. They are located right here above the power key. How we can use them? You can click on the volume up or volume down and you are going to take photo. You can also click and hold one of this button and you will take this series of the photos. You can take 20 photos in each series. When you go right here for the shutter button, you can click and hold it and you will also enable series of the photo. Another option that will be useful for you, it's definitely the zoom feature. So as you can see, you can switch between 1x and the 2x, but also you can click and hold the 2x and you will unlock the slider with 5x and also with 10x. And if you take a look on the quality of the zoom, it's not bad. You can spot some details. You can also zoom in and zoom out by pinching screen with your two fingers. Next we can click right here and we'll find the different filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature, and we can find a lot of them right here. And with the slider we can also adjust the strength of each filter. To get original look, just pick the first one. There's also some kind of the light effect, but you will be able to spot any difference when you point camera on someone, as you can see on the preview. Next, when you tap in this place, we will open other options. We can add delay to our shutter between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. We can also get framing lines, it's called the grid lines, and also the level meter. So right now we can take better composition on the photos with these lines, and when we catch the level, this crosshair will turn to the yellow. Next, we can go for the more modes, where we can find, for example, the 50 megapixel mode. So let me just show you how it works. I'm gonna take photo with this mode and with the normal photo mode. Let's try if we can spot some more details. Okay, this photo was taken with the normal mode. We can spot some texture right here and right here. And when we take a look on the 50 megapixel mode, there is a little bit more details, especially right here. So we can spot, for example, some pieces of the dust in this place and more details right here. When you go another time for this more modes, we can also find the double exposure mode. And if you don't know what is going on here, there is great description, so I can recommend you to use it. You can also tap on this information icon if you close it. And let me show you how it works. We can adjust this backlight, so I'm gonna turn it off when I slide to 0. That's the normal preview. But if you want to get this double exposure mode, as you can see, we can turn it like that. And this button will appear between these flowers. When you go for the 100%, it looks like that. We can also tap right here and we can change some parameters. We can restore to the default, of course. And here we can also add the other theme. Okay, and take a look how it looks. For me, it's cool. Looks really nice. Cool background around our buttons. So I guess it will be useful for some of you. And you can also add your own picture by going right here to the files, to the photos. So yeah, that's all, and that's how it looks. That's the VIVO Y22S, and that's camera tips that I can recommend you. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.